Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today's video will be on the best Android touch screen stereo under 10,000, or you can say in 10,000, that will be branded. And the best thing about that stereo is that it is made in India. So yeah, let's see about which I am talking. So guys, right now I'm inside the vehicle, and this is the stereo I wanted to show you. Now you can see this is the unplug stereo. You do not get any kind of badging or stuff like that, but this is the thing. Before showing this, let's see the box. So you can see unplug badging over here, 7-inch Android multimedia player, IPS display. Okay, so you get that as well. 4x into 50 watt, that is a great thing. Curved Gorilla Glass, and 1 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM. New UI, so you don't go on these specs. These are just you can say ऐसे ही लिखा है, but the performance of this stereo is just mind-boggling. So it is compatible with Android and iPhone as well. You can see some apps which you can run on this thing, but I want to tell you one thing, that you have this Play Store and you download any app you want. You does not get any kind of limit in this thing. So yeah, box is sort of simple. On the rear you can see pricing 13,000, but it is not that much. You can get it in 10,000 as well. So yeah, that is the thing. 8.0 Android system, Oreo over here, and capacitive touch panel, support 1080p video display, 1 GB RAM, 1.3 GHz quad core processor as well. So those are the things. Mirror link support for Android and iPhone mobile phones as well. So that is a lot, I think. Let me open the box as well. So you can see something lying over here, other things lying over here basically. तो बहुत सारे सामान है basically. ये जो भी है वो पुराने स्टीरियो का है, but here you can see, I hope this is the warranty card. Yeah, so you get 1 year warranty as well. Now I think that I have shown you everything about this stereo's box, but now let's check this as well. So let me turn the ignition on. And guys, before starting the video, I want to say that please follow me on Instagram. This video will not be edited, so that's why I want to say कि मतलब ऐसे कुछ भी screen पे नहीं आएगा. The page and all those things will not come on the screen. So please, the link is there in the description. Go to the Instagram and follow me. Now let me turn the ignition on, and after that you will be able to see that how is the interface and all those things. So wait a minute, yaar. Yeah, you can see now. This is the stereo over here. Let the chime turn off. So yeah, you can see this is the home page basically. Here you can see, let me focus, local music. So if you will press on it, so it will ask for music, जो कि इसमें अभी है नहीं. It would be like अगर आप इसमें download करते, if you will download inside this stereo, then only you will be able to access from here. But yeah, before talking about these apps and all those things, you can see that touch response. It is just nice and supremely good. There's no problem with that. So let me see the physical things first. You can see mic over here, RST, which is the reset light. This is to power off and on as well, and you can mute it from here. Like अभी मैं तेज करता हूँ. You can see the audio is coming, but if I want to mute, देखो म्यूट हो गया. This is the home button. This is the button to back the screen, and volume up, volume down, mic button as well. This is the menu button, settings, and other things over here. You can see local radio, navigation. So if you will press on navigation, you will go to the Google map. So basically it is a phone. You can see 7-inch phone, and it gets power from this thing only. It does not have any battery kind of thing. So yeah, this is the navigation as well. Bluetooth. So if you will connect your phone with Bluetooth, you can see, and from here you can access the audio. But for that you need to first connect a device which is not connected right now. That is the thing over here. From here you can access the calls as well, contacts, and the dial pad. Here is the setting. So device name, unplug, falana dhamkana, and this is the page, and you can set the wallpaper as well according to your liking. जुबान फिसल रही थोड़ा बहुत, बट अगर आपको जो है ऊपर, if you want to access the other things as well, scroll it like this. So switch button and Wi-Fi, screen of car amplifier, other things, notify. So here you will get the notifications as well. Like you can see the comments and all those things. So yeah, if you will go to the settings, let me show that as well. So yeah, I can see over here the amplifier, and I have set it in jazz. So according to your liking, you can set it as well. Factory settings, for that you have to enter the pin, which is 0000. The Oriental car is set according to. So if you will go in this one, let me open it again. So यार setting वापस खोलते हैं. So you can see car settings over here and get more thing. So अभी कोई ऐसे ओरिजिनल फंक्शन नहीं है इसमें. Android settings, GPS settings. If you will go to the Android settings, so you will realize that ये तो पूरा phone है. You can see everything is here like a phone only. So that is the thing. And volume settings, navigation, steering, learn, logo settings. From here you can set a logo and animation as well. Now it does not get Tata logo, that's why I have not set it. And these are the things for this. And if you want to see the quality of this stereo, so दिखा देता हूँ उसमें क्या है. You can use the YouTube as well. अरे धीमे हो जा भाई. So you can see the YouTube as well in this stereo. Other Android apps also. तो यहाँ पे Play Store है, YouTube as well, Geo7 and Phone Link. Okay. So this Tima Phone Link. What the shit is Tima, bro? So yeah. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. So you can connect the mirror link thing with the just Wi-Fi. That is kind of decent. Not decent, that is kind of nice. So बैक हो जाओ भैया जी, कितनी बार बोलना पड़ेगा. कैलकुलेटर भी है यार, और कैलेंडर, कार रेडियो. Here you can see what is this. Downloads, file manager, manual, Chrome, Google Maps, Play Store, YouTube. So YouTube खोलने की बात हुई थी. We are opening the YouTube as well. So you can see it's like a phone only. We'll go to the library, downloads, and I hope there is only one song. Yes, it is the same beef, so let's play that. Copyright के डर से I'm not going to play it anymore, so that is the thing. So the question is that do I recommend this stereo? So yeah, if your budget is 10,000 and you want an Android stereo with a great amount of performance and very good audio quality without any cutting of wire, so definitely go with this. This is a great stereo. Also this is very good. You should buy it if your budget is 10,000 and you want an Android stereo with great performance, nice audio quality, and every Android app as well. So yeah, that is it. And this is the unplug stereo. So yeah, if I'll try to give the link in the description if possible, but I'm not getting any link. I'll try to give it. So this is a stereo, and I think in today's date you will get this stereo in 10,000, or you can get it in 8,000 as well. That depends on your bargaining quality. But what all will you get with this? So you'll get a wiring pack, and that would be with the coupler as well. So coupler to coupler जो fitting है वो होने वाली है, and you get these two USB ports as well. Okay, one is for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Actually you can use both of them, मतलब दोनों को किसी भी तरीके से यूज कर सकते हो. So fast charging को support तो नहीं करता, but yeah, nice, good thing. And other than that, this is a stereo, and you can see the box as well. I hope you are satisfied with that. And if you have any kind of question in your mind, so don't forget to ask me. And as I've told you that I'll make Hindi plus English both videos, so इसी वीडियो का हिंदी वर्जन भी जल्दी आएगा, and wait for it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you have enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. That is the like button, or a Fanta, or a Sprite, anything you want. And I am making this joke regular nowadays. I don't want to. Bye yaar.